mean is 9 and the standard deviation will be. So beta, what is one property of Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution में जो हमारा mean होता है and variance होता है, both of them are equal to each other. In Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal to each other. So beta, this means that मेरा जो variance होगा, that will also be 9 because mean is 9. Variance will also be 9. Beta, if variance is 9, so what will be your standard deviation? क्या हो जाएगा standard deviation? Standard deviation will be under root of the variance. So under root of 9, so under root of 9 will be 3. So the answer to this question should be 3. I hope this is making some sense to everyone. Okay, beta, let me just give you a similar question. So अब question लिखो आप जरा, try to do it yourself. So suppose I am telling you that now the distribution that you have is a normal distribution. हाँ beta. And what I have done is, I have gone ahead and I have told you that the mean of this normal distribution is 0 and the variance of this normal distribution is 1. Mean 0 hai, variance 1 hai. And now I am telling you to find 95% confidence interval for the mean and variance of this distribution. I'm just trying to form it myself, huh? Of this distribution, if the following is your null. Just, I hope you get some answer out of it. I've just framed it on the spot. So mean is given to you as 1.5. And the other null for variance, जब उसका confidence निकालोगे, so variance is given to you as 4.5. हाँ beta. And let's say n, sample size is given to you as 100. Okay, you need to give me the confidence interval in both the cases. Both give me for mean also. And go ahead and give me for variance also. Okay, beta. And I've given you mean and variance of the distribution. I've given you the sample size and I'm asking you to calculate 95% confidence interval. Okay, beta. Thank you.